It's so chilly in here. Actually, it's kind of nice.
Well, great. Now I've turned black.
It's cold in here, but I'm still holding on.
I told you, damn. That, the fridge is not for me.
So what if it's cold? I'm tough.
Perfect. I've sprouted and rotted.
Come on. I've survived worse than this.
Spend one more day here, and you'll all rot together with me.
Cold doesn't scare. Chocolate.
There you go. Now eat some mold.
Cold? Not scary for me a day. I'm garlic.
Just a bit more and I'll start stinking in here.